Number 2 key to successful relationships is that opposites attract. Opposites attract. But opposites attract in only one area, and this is important, and that's in temperament. You see, nature requires balance in all things, yin and yang, active and passive. So nature requires that there be a balance in temperament. An extroverted person will be most compatible with an introverted person. Two people who are equally introverted or extroverted will be most compatible. But here's a very simple test for relationships. Male or female, male, male, female, female. It's what we call the conversation test. In any conversation between two people who are temperamentally suited, there will be the entire period of time allocated for conversation will be full of easy conversation plus about 10% of easy silences. So that if each person will have an opportunity to talk all they want to talk, and each person will have an opportunity to listen all they want to listen, and there will be 10% of comfortable silences. Now, you may have a person who gets all their talking done in 30% of the time. And you may have another person who gets all their talking done in 60% of the time with that 10% gap, and these people will be very compatible. However, where you have problems in relationships is you have people who only like to talk 30% on the one side, and a person who only likes to talk 30% on the other side, so you have big gaps of uncomfortable silence where neither has anything to say. Or the other example is where you have two people, each of whom have to talk 70% of the time, so you have a big clash over airtime. There's always a clash over who's going to be able to speak the most, and you'll find that this relationship will be incompatible too. So opposites attract, but only in temperament. In all other essentials, similarities attract.